We're a family-owned business, and we employ approximately 50 to 60 people.
Our business is additive production. We portable crush gravel, haul gravel. We have wash plants that do custom washing. We heard about the two 98 cat loaders through our salesperson from Ziegler.
They came from a corporate customer that had traded them off.
When this customer sold it, Saponiak purchased it with about just over 16,000 hours on it. And I think now it's just around 20,000, a little bit over 20,000.
From a cost standpoint, it's quite a bit cheaper to do the rebuild than to purchase a brand new one. It'll be just like a new machine.